in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your display language on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, you want to select time and language. And then on the right side, you can select language and region. And then where it says preferred language, select add a language button, locate your language on the list or search for it at the top. And then you want to select it from below and then select next to proceed. And then once it's installed, you will have the option where it says Windows Display Language to select the drop down here. Select the appropriate language from the list that you want, and then you will need to restart your device for the changes to save, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.